At B&W, fine living begins in the details. In the light we share. In the hands that make a home feel complete. Because true refinement is not how perfectly a table is set. It is who is invited to sit at it.
Eid Mubarak!
From B&W Developments, curators of fine living.